grant. Let's have your quest complete. And he can start becoming a really good psychic person. Are they here? Oh, they're here. Join us. Flesh shaping. Obelisk. Are they just chilling here? Are they really gonna go cheer in? Why do they always pick a bedroom? Should I turn that on? Hey. So he is a bit stronger at that, and side cast 3 points. We'll give him the Necropath as well. Consume bodies, unlock. So he too can become all powerful. And we will. Do we want to teach him? Learn far skip. Yeah. And yeah. And then we're gonna turn Ivan. Actually, how's Ivan looking? We are going to send Ivan on a little bit of a journey. Oh wait, no, but he's got his stupid cube obsession now. Fuck. We could send him instead. Same deal. Lavish. World. Form a caravan. You're going to go up this way. It's going to take 1.5 days possibly. Accept. And we're going to send Ivan. With a horse. Oh man, that helps so much. It's like half a day. Travel supplies, we'll give him, he doesn't need medicine. We'll take it anyways, fuck it. We'll take some blood packs. And we'll also take food. Yeah. You'll go hungry. Your caravan has no food and will become hungry very quickly. So almost he train, and maybe we can bring some corn. Yeah. I thought we sent that lavish, but maybe we didn't send. Set the lavish. Oh wait. Shit, we sent the wrong person. He'll be gone a day. I'm sure he's fine. Sure you can live without the... Alright, now that you're